Good morning, students. Welcome to our online class. This is 10th Standard Chemistry, Unit 8, Periodic Classification of Elements lesson. In previous class, already we discussed periodic properties and metrology. Once again, recall these topics. What are the periodic properties present? 5 periodic properties. One is atomic radius, another one is ionic radius and ionization energy, electron affinity, electron activity. In atomic radius and ionic radius, increase in group, decrease in period. Atomic radius, ionic radius, increase in group, top to bottom, but left to right in period decreases. The remaining 3 properties, ionization energy, electron affinity, electron activity. These 3 properties are decreases in group, increases in period. Left to right, increases in period, top to bottom, down the group, that is down the group decreases, along the period increases. These are the 5 periodic property. The next one is metrology. There are 3 main processes occur in metrology. What are the 3 properties? 3 processes. One is concentration of ore. Concentration or separation of ore. Concentration or separation of ore. This process, removal of impurities from the ore. The ore contains some impurities. These impurities are removed by the process name is concentration. The second process is production of metals. In this process, the ore converted into metal. The third process, refining of metals. The process of purification of metal. This process, the metal converted into pure metal. Some impurities are removed. Impurities are removed. So finally we get pure metal. So in this process, the impure metal converted into pure metal. Next one, terminology in metrological process. What is minerals? Mineral is the one of the single compound or complex mixture of the various compound. These are found in earth. These metals are found in earth. That is called minerals. What is ore? The ore's form is metal can be readily economically extracted on large scale amount said to be ore. Minerals from which metal can be readily and economically extracted on large scale. The substances are said to be ore. For example, clay is the one of the mineral. Bauxite is the ore. Both are contains what metal? Aluminum metal. Economically high production gives only bauxite. So bauxite is the ore of aluminum. Clay is the mineral of aluminum. Next one, mining. The process of extraction of ore from earth crust is called mining. What is mining? Extraction of ore from earth crust. That process is called mining. Another process, gangue or matrix. Gangue or matrix is nothing but rocky impurities associated with ore. Ore contains some rocky impurities. These impurities are called gangue or matrix. Next one, flux. Flux is one of the substance. This substance added to a ore reduce the fusion temperature. That time all impurities are removed. This process is called flux. The substance is called flux. Example of flux: calcium oxide, silica. Calcium oxide, silica. These substances act as a flux. These flux add to a ore, reduce the temperature and remove the all impurities. What is slag? Slag is one of the fusible product. Fusible product formed when the flux reacted with gangue. How form slag? Flux reacted with gangue. Flux reacted with gangue to form a slag. Slag is the one of the collection of impurity substance. Already we know what is flux. Flux is the one of the substance is added to a ore, reduce the fusion temperature and remove all impurities. What is gangue? Gangue is a rocky impurities. These two substance flux react with the gangue to form a slag. Slag is the collection of impurity substance. Today we are going to learn another new topic: types of separation or concentration of ore. Concentration of ore. What are the methods used? Types of separation. The first one, hydraulic method. Hydraulic method. The hydraulic method, otherwise said to be gravity separation. Gravity separation. Hydraulic method or gravity separation. Second method is magnetic separation method. Magnetic separation method. Third one, fourth flotation. Fourth flotation. Fourth one, chemical method. Chemical method or leaching process. Chemical method or leaching process. These four methods used to separate ore. Separation of ore or concentration of ore. Concentration of ore. Concentration of ores are four methods used. One is hydraulic method, second one magnetic separation method, third one fourth flotation, fourth one chemical method or leaching. Chemical method or leaching. These are the concentration of ore method. Concentration of ore methods. Let's learn about types of ore. Types of ore. Based on the substance, the ores are classified into four types. One is oxide ore, second one carbonate ore, third one halide ore, fourth one sulfide ore. Sulfide ore. Let's see one by one. The first one, oxide ore. Oxide ore. Oxide ores are example: bauxite, cuprite, hematite. Bauxite formula: Al2O3 2H2O. Al2O3 2H2O. This is ore of aluminium. Ore of aluminium. This formula contains main element is aluminium. Bauxite is the ore of aluminium. Ore of aluminium. The second oxide ore is cuprite. Cuprite formula Cu2O. Cu2O. Third one magnetite. Magnetite formula Fe2O3. Fe2O3. These ores are commonly called oxide ore. Oxide ore. But aluminium, bauxite is the aluminium ore. Cuprite is a copper ore. Hematite is an iron ore. But this substance common substance present is oxide. O3, O3. So bauxite contains oxygen. Cuprite also contains oxygen. Hematite contains oxygen. So these are called oxides ore. These ores mainly contains oxygen substance. So these ores are called oxides ore. Oxide ores. The another type of ore is carbonate ore. What is the formula of carbonate? CO3. Carbonate formula CO3. The CO3 contains ores are called carbonate ore. Carbonate ores. The first carbonate ore is marble. Marble formula CaCO3. Marble formula CaCO3. The second one, magnesite. Magnesite formula MgCO3. MgCO3. The third one, siderite, FeCO3. These are what type of ores? Carbonate ores. Carbonate. What is the formula of carbonate? CO3. CO3 contains ores are called carbonate ore. What are the carbonate ores present? One is marble. Second one, magnesite. Third one, siderite. These are the carbonate ores. Third one, halide ores. Halide words. Halide words are halogen substances are present in which group? 17th group. 17th group elements are called halogen. What are the halogen compounds? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These substances are present words are called halide words. Halide words. The first halide words cryolite. Cryolite formula Na3Al(F6). Na3Al(F)(6). F is a fluorine. The fluorine substance is one of the halogen compound. So cryolite formula Na3Al(F6). F is a fluorine. Fluorine is one of the halogen compound. These words are called halide words. Second one, fluorophore. Fluorophore formula CaF2. F is one of the fluorine. The fluorine compounds are present in halogen compound. So these words are called halide words. Fluorophore formula CaF2. The third one, rock salt. The common salt formula NaCl. Cl is a chlorine substance. Chlorine also one of the halogen compound. Common salt otherwise called sodium chloride formula NaCl. These words are called halide words. Halogen compound present in which group? 17th group. What are the halogen compounds present? Chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine. These elements are called halogen compound. The halogen compound present words are called halide words. What are the halogen words present? Cryolite, fluorophore, rock salt. Next word is sulfide word. Sulfide formula S. The sulfide compounds present words are called sulfide words. First sulfide word is galena formula BBS. Iron birex formula FeS2. Third one, zinc flint formula ZnS. S is the sulfide. The sulfide words are present in some element, present in some compound. These words are called sulfide words. What are the sulfide words are present? Galena formula BBS. Iron birex formula FeS2. Last one, zinc flint formula ZnS. These are the sulfide words. The words are classified into mainly 4 division. One is sulfide word, halide word, carbonate word, last one oxide word. These are the types of words based on the component. Note the assignment question. First one, what is mining? Second one, what is define gang or matrix? Third one, what is war? Note this assignment question and learn today's topics. Thank you, students.